So this XAUUSD analysis for Tuesday, 25th of September. Now, let's have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had price come down towards the 12.92, tested the 11.99, broke down, posted somewhat higher lows, broke above the 11.99, didn't quite get towards the 12.04.69. We've had this brief consolidation, a couple of tests of the 11.99, and at present we have broke back above the 11.99. So if we do see this continued bullish buy side momentum in alignment with the overall recovery that we are seeing after seeing this sell off from in around that 12.11, and we did see a sell off from in around that $1,211. If we do see this continued recovery here to the upside, and we do see this sharp acceleration away from this 11.99, we're looking for a test of that 12.04.69, successful break from which looking to retest our old highs in around that 12.11. But the most important, more significant level of note would be a move up towards that 12.14.26, successful break from which we'll be then looking for price head up towards that 12.20.67 here on the XAUUSD. Now, the 12.14.26 is a level of significance. I wouldn't anticipate prices testing at 12.20.67 unless we did have an extraordinary day in terms of volatility here on the XAUUSD. Now, if we do encounter a major resistance in around that 12.04.69, we do see a bit of a turnaround from where we are at present. Looking to see whether that 11.99 does hold. Successful break from which the downside will be then looking for price head down towards that 11.90. That yep, there we are. So we'll be looking for a move down towards that 11.90, and if we are successful in breaking that 11.90, then looking for a move down towards that 11.85.32. Wouldn't anticipate price moving much beyond the 11.85.32, but the very next level of note is at 11.80.42 here on the XAUUSD. And I suppose we should have a look here at the daily chart while we're at it. And on this daily chart, as we can see, we've had this sharp acceleration here to the downside. Brief recovery tested 12.14. We're unable to hold on to 12.14. And at present, we've gone to this consolidative range in around this 11.99 here on the XAUUSD. Now, if we can break above the 11.99, as we mentioned previously, again, we've mentioned the 12.20.67, and beyond that, we've got the 12.28.20. If we do break out of this consolidation, however, to the downside, beyond the 11.85, our most significant, most recent pullback of significance in around 11.85, if we do fail there from a daily chart perspective, the very next level of note for potential support is a move back down towards our previous lows here from August in around that 11.60 on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.